Hi everybody, I'm out here metal detecting today, and I thought I'd start by metal detecting right where I'm sitting here next to the bridge. I already did the other side of the bridge when I first got my metal detector, and I didn't find much. I found some spark plugs and some nails. So we'll see what's on this side of the bridge. And I don't know if we're going to have some kitty drama today or not, because Pepper was getting jealous of Muffy, but now she's eating some salad. Let's see what we can find. Okay, we got a hole here. We had like a 78 reading with like in the 60s, all kinds of stuff. And so let's look through here and see what we can find. Muffy says, I'm helping. I'm going to dig a hole. I'm going to dig a deep hole. Good job, Muffy. Get it, Muffy. Get it. He says, I have to think about this. All right, I got something pretty shallow right here. What do you want to guess it is? I'm guessing it's a bullet shell, but let's find out. Well, it's not a bullet shell. Some kind of piece of metal here. Don't know. Let's see what else is here. So, I got this thing. Not sure what it is. Maybe it's a piece of silverware. I'll clean it up and check. Or maybe it's a fence staple. Oh well, let's see. Yeah, it's a fence staple. Kind of squished. So, we'll see if there's anything else in this hole. Well, I got these things out of that hole. A square nail. And this piece of metal, which I have no idea what that is. And the fence staple. So let's see what else we can find. I got another good signal right next to that hole. Okay, out of that hole I found, of course, a nail. Another 22 shell, and this stapley thing. Let's find out what's next. Hey guys, I got to come out on my parents' property today, and Dad brought me out here and showed me an old hole where somebody used to stay for a while. We don't know exactly when, maybe about 1910 or 15. Somebody who worked for the original landowner. And as you can see, that hole right there. And there's a little hole over there. Well, I've been digging for a while now, and there's tons of nails. But I actually did find, just found this horseshoe. So that's pretty cool. But I'm gonna continue looking. Let's go check it out. Okay, I got a mason jar lid or something. I'll clean this up. Okay, I've got something that's not very deep right here, so let's see what it is. Okay, it's this thing. Not sure what it is. Okay, another one of these things. This is like a 99 signal, I think. Interesting. So, yeah, I got some nails out of that hole. And this old glass. Maybe a plate. I don't know. Keep digging. Yeah, I just found this on the surface. Maybe some horse tack or something, and this. And that. Well, these are my finds from that area out there, the old jar lid with the insert. Found that bolt, bunch of nails, these 222 shells, and I did find one square nail. All the others are not square. So pretty fun. I'm gonna go back out there sometime or another. Fun times. These 22 shells, I showed my dad, and he says they're older than him. He's never seen this kind before. It says HP. He thinks maybe that stands for high power. So it comes from that time period that he thinks is that old, where that old shack stood. So maybe 1900 and 1915, somewhere in that time period, somebody lived there and worked. If you know anything about it, let me know. And this horseshoe was, it seemed quite large. And if you know the time period for the jar lid, let me know. Pepper says that's my hole. Pepper says I better check this out. She just chased Muffy out of there. See, you don't want that, Pepper.